Hello, everybody. So, we are going to be opening up a whole bunch of stuff. Okay, first of all, let's show this off. The Mew V deck, Battle League deck, or whatever. I'm just gonna basically show you the cards, not really the whole decks, because there's not really, stuff in there. But, I also got some Pikachu Shining Fates. I got 2 of them. So we're going to be opening up those 2. We got Crobat V-Star box as well. And we also have an Elite Trainer box. So we got a whole bunch of stuff to get to. Which, basically, let's get to this first. There's really nothing to it. As long as I can open it. And I'm just tearing it up. Okay. That's great. I'm ripping this all the heck up. Okay, so got some dice. Ooh. Some nice coins. Here's the deck. There's really nothing in there, just regular old cards that you would get with a deck. Maxie, what are you doing? So I got Max in here as well. Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm just gonna show you guys the cards. Got 2 Genesects and 2 Mew Vs. And honestly, I like the 2 Mew VMAX cards. Okay, so we have those. That's basically it, but I'm gonna give you guys the code card. There you go. Max just is going through my closet. I'm actually going to... Should I just open all these off camera and get the packs out? Hold up. Okay, so I got all the promos out, which is these Pikachus. I also got out the code cards. There's that code card. And there's that code card. I also got out the Crobat card. There's that. Here's these 2. Okay, so got all the promos out. Got a whole big stack of just Shining Fates galore. And of course it fell. But I did save this one so we all could just like look at it. There's the booklet. There's that. Ooh, I've never seen this. Never seen that. That. Ooh, okay. So, we got these. Let's look at the sleeves. Those are probably awesome. Dang, look at those sleeves. Then we got coins and a. We also got code card, dividers, some more packs. I'm gonna get these on back here. So, then we also have this Eevee promo that I've wanted. I'm probably going to keep that sealed. Just in case. But, time for the main event that you guys most likely all been waiting for. Oh, all the packs. Probably. I hope you guys are waiting for those. Maybe we can pull the Charizard. You think we can do that? Let's hope. Code card. So, we got a Trapinch, Nickit, Buizel, Shinx, Coughing. I fricked this up so badly. What the heck did I do? I messed that up so badly. Aw. Okay, let's not do that. Charizard pack. Another green code card. Wait, what? Oh wait, isn't Shining Fates just a whole bunch of green and white code cards? Snom, Morpeko, Morpeko, Cancini or whatever, Rotom, and Thweevil. Let's go with this one. Code card. 2, 3, 4. Fire Energy. Eldegoss, Luxio, Ball Guy. Got Chutol, Gossifleur, Rowlet, Cufant, Spinarak. Ooh! Oh, okay. We got a shiny Phalanx. Oh, that's cool. We got shiny Phalanx. Oh, that's cool. By the way, I will sleeve everything up at the end of the video. That's what I'm gonna do. So I don't have to waste y'all's time. Almost didn't give you the code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Steel Energy, Gym Trainer, Floatzel, Rusted Sword, Yanma, Morpeko, Morpeko, Coughing, Glossifleur, can't see. I don't know how to really. Rowlet, and Dreadnought. I don't know how to say that one's name. Oh, this is a tight pack. Okay. It's a tight pack. Green code card, obviously. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Trophinus? Rotom. Rusted Shield. Spinarak. Snom. Horsey. Rowlet. Morpeko Morpeko. And Mafini. I wonder if we're gonna actually get any pulls. I hope so. Okay then. One way to open up a Pokemon pack. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Leaf Energy. Team Yeltao. Rotom. Rusted Shield. Eevee. Horsey. Cancina. Shinx. I'm going to call that Cancina. Nickit. Celebi. Aw. Oh, that sucks. I could see like a little bit of shine from here. Okay. I open these packs way too slow. Sorry about that. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Fighting Energy. Trumpus. Floatzel. Team Yeltao. Eevee. Nickit. Horsey. Snom. Morpeko. Spinarak. And Boss's Order. Huh. We're not doing too well, are we? Okay. Okay, that one was easy. Energy. I mean, not energy, but code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got Energy. Luxia. Team Yeltao. Thwacky. Spinarak. Snom. Grookey, Eevee, Morpeko. Holy! Oh, no way! No way! We got an Indini and a gold Eternatus. We got a gold card! Oh my god, we got a gold Eternatus V. And an Indini. Holy crap. Oh, yeah. Okay. Dang, that was good. Wow. I was saying, when are we going to get some pulls? But, I mean, I didn't mean a gold card, but I'm happy with that. It's a gold card. Who can't be happy with that? Code card. Nah, it's just gonna go in that. Shinx, Rowlet, Coughing, and Mafini. I went through that because, like, why not? Because I basically only have 30 minutes to do this. So, Whoa. Hold up. Wait, what? Code card. If you guys... Can you guys see that? Oh, look at that. I got misprints. Miscuts. Whatever. Oh, 2 dreadnoughts. But, like... I got some miscuts. Jesus, look at that. Oh. Wow. That's weird. All these packs are weird. Like... I mean, I got the Gold Eternatus. That's great. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the front. Dark Energy. Thwackey. Rusted Shield. Dartrix. Rowlet. Trapinch. Snom. Grookey. Spinarak. Celebi. And Professor's Research. Code card. Yanma. Trapinch. Nickit. Classifier. Oh! Shiny Stonejourner. That's good. Okay, we're getting some pulls. I mean, it's not the Charizard, but I guess we'll take it. Honestly, I'd love to get the Charizard. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. The Charizard's like the best to get in here. So, Dark Energy, Rotom, Rusted Shield, Eldegoss, Goss, Eldergoss, Nickit, Yubuzil, Shanks, Coughing, Qfat. Ooh, got a Drizzle. Oh wait, what? Oh, they got stuck together for some reason. Hey, oh, that's good. Hey, that's nice. Okay, we got a full art trainer. Careless. I see what they were doing. Okay, but also we got the shiny. Okay, Jesus. Okay. That was honestly just very cringe. I am so sorry about that. Go guard. Get back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fighting Energy. Gym Trainer. Rotom. Floatzel. Eevee. Gossifleur. Chewtle. Morpeko. Cansey. Professor's Research. Hey! Got a Greedent V. Okay. Yeah. There goes Eevee, Nickit, Horsey, Snom, Morpeko. Hey! Got another shiny Dottler. Getting a lot of shinies. Getting a lot of commons. But, oh, I'm supposed to get commons. I'm an idiot. It's Christmas time. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fighting Energy. Team Yeltal. Luxio. Floatzel. Yanma. Morpeko. Coughing. Glossifleur. Cansey. Eevee. Hey! Got a all creamy V. Freaking full art. Nice. We're getting some good cards, aren't we? Okay. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Leaf Energy, Floatzel, Camarant, Rusted Sword, Spinarak, Buizel, Rowlet, Snom, Grookey, Canty, and Manifer. Okay, so code card 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. So we got a Energy, Team Yellowtail, Thwackey, Gym Trainer, Coughing, Glossifleur, Rowlet, Qfant, Spinarak. Oh! Holy crap! My phone fell, but we got a Lapras V, and it's a shiny! We got shiny Lapras V! Oh. That's weird, but oh, I'm happy. I'm happy. Okay. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we have a lot of sleeving to do. So, Energy, Luxio, Rusted Sword, Ball Guy, Spinarak, Shinx, Coughing, Horsey, Grookey. Back to back. Oh, double V shiny. Back to freaking back. Dang. We are getting amazing pulls. Still no shiny Charizard though. That's sad. But we could get it. Imagine. 1, 2, 3, 4. Leaf Energy, Rusted Sword, Elder, Goss, Datrix, Daltrix, whatever, Nickit, Cansey, Qfant, Eevee, Buizel, Morpeko, Morpeko, and Yanmega. Let's hope we can pull that Charizard. Okay, let's go. Let's just go through it. Buizel, Spinarak, Shinx, Coughing, Horsey, Yanma. Hey, another Greedent. Wow, that's 2 for 2 for Greedents. Dang. Shinx, Rowlet, Eevee, Morpeko, Buizel, Morpeko, and Dreadnought. Fourth to last pack. Eevee, Horsey, Cansina, Jinx, Nickit. Ooh, shiny Headterm. And a Professor's Research. Ooh, what the heck happened to that? Okay. Or was it third to last pack? Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fighting Energy, Rusted Sword, Luxio, Thwackey, Morpeko Morpeko, Chewtle, Nickit, Grookey, Yanma. Ooh! Nice! What is that called again? Oh yeah, an amazing rare, Kyogre. And a Volcanion. Last pack magic, please. Something or Charizard. Charizard. Let's look for Charizard. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire Energy. Team Yeltao. Floatzel. Luxio. Nickit. Cancina. Qfant. Eevee. Buizel. Morpeko. Dang it. Okay, so we actually did very, 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 very good on these. Ooh. We got a lot. Ooh. Dang. That's all we got. Jeez, that's a lot. Okay, so I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.